So this week we're going to be learning more about Microsoft Windows. So on Windows, on every Windows screen that you see, any Microsoft software that you get into, you have a title bar, and it's usually color coded. Sometimes it's blue, green, depending on which application you're in. And then you have tabs like File, Home, Insert. And then there's a ribbon, which has different types of icons on different kinds of activities or functions that you need to do. And then you have the document area, which I call like your work area, where you're going to be typing or doing figures or adding pictures and so on. And then down below is your status bar that tells you your information, maybe what page you're on or how many words you're typing, how many words that are like in your document and so on. So as you see here in Excel, you'll see there's the save button that looks like an old floppy disk. And then you have your back or forward, which is I call them your undo and your redo buttons, arrows. And then you have your customize arrows. And then at the top, you have the document title and what application you're in. So it might say worksheet 2 or whatever you name the file, and that you're in Excel. And then you can hide the ribbons, which is a little arrow. You can hide the ribbons if you don't want all the ribbons showing. Maybe you just want your title bar showing in your document. Minimize lets you lower your document to the taskbar. Change size, you can make it full screen or you can make it partial screen. And then of course exit is usually sometimes it's in red or in white, in this case for Excel. So each application will have its own tools, but all applications will have the following. They'll always have file, print, save, export, home for formatting, and then insert like text box, header, footer, and pictures, etc. So these are the tabs like file, home, insert, design. Each one will have different types of tabs that was just discussed. And then your ribbon, as you notice here on the taskbar, we're in presentation PowerPoint. And then the ribbon gives you different icons, different functions or tools that are used in each of the different Microsoft software. And then your document area is where you do most of your work, adding text or pictures, or you're doing some kind of Excel function. As here in OneNote, you're typing up notes or you're putting in notes into a OneNote notebook. And then your status bar is what is down in the bottom, so you can see the different features of each of the status bars. So in Word, it tells you what page you're on and how many words you have put into your document so far. And in PowerPoint, it tells you which slide you're on. And then on the right-hand side, it tells you different ways you can view your presentation. And then Excel, it just tells you the tabs, which sheet you're on. So like here at sheet 4, which is highlighted in green, it lets you know you're on the 4th sheet on your Excel. And then again, you look at on the right-hand side, if you look at the different icons that are available, what different functions each one of those has. And that is it. Hope you enjoy learning more about Microsoft.